Hi everyone, this is John Paul from InMotion Hosting, and thank you for joining us for another video in our AbanteCart series. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your AbanteCart admin password. The first step is to visit the admin login page for your AbanteCart site. Click the Forgot Password link, then enter your admin username, email address, and the code in the image. Click the Reset Password button. You'll then see a message stating email with instructions on how to reset your password sent to your email. Now we're going to log into our email account and look for a password reset email from your online store. Click the link provided in the email to reset your password. You'll then be redirected to a reset password page. Enter your new password in the two available fields. Click the Please Confirm button. You'll then see a message saying your password has been reset. Now you can log in with your new password. If you don't know your admin username and email address, it can be viewed directly in your database. To do this, log into your cPanel, click the PHPMyAdmin button in the Databases section. Select the database for your AbanteCart installation. Find and click the AB9E_users table. You can also click Ctrl F on your keyboard and search for users. You'll then see a list of all the users in the username column. The associated email address will be listed in the email column. You can then use your username and email address to reset your admin password. Thank you for joining us for another video in our AbanteCart series. Check out our AbanteCart section for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to like, subscribe, or comment below and let us know what you think.
Check out our InMotion Hosting Support Center for help with your website. We provide thousands of step-by-step guides, videos, and much more to lead you towards making your online project a successful one. You can find us at www.inmotionhosting.com/support.